Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me Yogita, and in today's video I'm going to recreate Olivia Rodrigo's Met Gala makeup look. This makeup look is so simple yet so elegant and so beautiful. So let's start. So first I'm doing my brows. So you can see Olivia's eyebrows are like so much thinner than mine, but I am following the natural shape of my brows. I'm not creating those boxy brows actually. I'm just following the natural shape of my brows and filling them. And then I'm carving out my brows with the concealer with the help of a flat brush. So I'm trying to make my eyebrows look as thin as possible, but again I have to follow the natural shape of my brows. So after applying concealer, I am setting it with the loose powder. Though mostly whenever I create eye looks, I never set my eye base with the powder, but whenever I create such simple eye looks, I most of the time I set my eye base to maybe to make it even more easier. So now I've picked up a light purple shade from the Beauty Glazed Color Studio palette, and I am blending it on my crease with the help of a small fluffy blending brush. And then I've picked up the dark purple shade from the same palette, and I'm applying it on my crease and on my outer corner and on my inner corner as well with the help of a pencil brush. And you only need these two shades to create this eye look. This is such a beginner friendly eye look. You don't need to create any cut crease or anything for that, and still it looks so pretty. And then again I've picked up the light purple shade and I've mixed it with pink this time, but you can totally skip the pink color as it won't make much of a difference. You can only use light purple shade and it would look exactly the same. And then I've picked up this purple glittery shade, purple shimmer shade from the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I'm applying it on the center of my eyelids. And then again I'm blending the shimmer with the dark purple shade to make this look seamlessly blended. And now let's move on to face makeup. So first I am cleaning my face with the micellar water. I'm using Garnier micellar water here. And then I'm applying moisturizer. This is Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. And then I'm applying the same L'Oreal concealer on my under eyes, around my lips, and on my forehead, or wherever I have darkness or hyperpigmentation. And then I'm blending this with a dense brush, and as you can see that this concealer itself is giving me a lot of coverage, as this is a like medium to full coverage concealer. So I actually don't need foundation, but still I'm applying a little bit of foundation all over my face and neck. And you should never ever forget your neck. You always have to apply the foundation on your neck as well. But if you're using a full coverage concealer, then you can totally skip the foundation. And then I've blended the foundation with a damp beauty blender, and then I'm applying a liquid blush. And this is a very beautiful peachy coral kind of a blush, and I've applied it on my cheeks and on my nose as well. As you can see in Olivia's picture that she has a very beautiful sun-kissed kind of a effect on her face, so I am recreating the same. And then for highlighting, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Concealer. It's in the shade 02. The shade is lighter than my skin tone, so I use this as my highlighting shade. And again, I'm applying it in a very little amount and blending this with the same brush. So right now you can see that the makeup, basically the concealer is not looking properly blended. So that's why I'm using a damp beauty blender over here, so that my base makeup will look seamlessly blended all together. And then I'll be using the same loose powder from Blue Heaven to set my face, like not my entire face, but I'm applying it only on my under eyes and on my T-zone area. And then from the same eyeshadow palette from Beauty Glazed, I picked up this brown shade and I've applied it as my contour. And you can see the difference between like both of my cheeks. So I'm applying it with, this is an eyeshadow brush actually, but this works beautifully as my contour and my highlighter brush as well. So after contouring, I'm picking up this peachy coral kind of a shade from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm applying it as my blush, and I'm applying it on my cheeks and on my nose as well to create the sun-kissed look which Olivia had. And then I'm applying the same dark purple shade on my lower lash line with the pencil brush, and I've also applied the purple shimmer shade on my lower lash line around my inner corner. And then I've applied a very thin eyeliner and did my kajal, mascara and false eyelashes off camera. False eyelashes are from Kalailis. And then I'm doing my lips. So for lip liner, I'm using this lip liner from Swiss Beauty. It's in the shade Choco Nude, and it's a very beautiful nude shade. And I'm using the same lip liner as my lipstick as well. And then I'm using this bullet lipstick from Inside Cosmetics, and I'm applying it only on the center of my lips, and then I'll top it off with a lip gloss. And this lip gloss, it's again from Inside Cosmetics in the shade Frost. It's a very beautiful transparent lip gloss, and it's my all-time favorite lip gloss. And our makeup is done. So this is the final look. I hope you like this video. Do let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.